You need to check two things. The one thing is the electricity. The other thing is the water. The water. You need to check if there is no water leakage of this model. So let me open the water first. Yeah. So you need to check this place, the inlets and outlets, and here connect with the shower. There is no water leakage of this model. And then you can open. You can close the water first. Open our electricity. Yes, when you open the electricity, you will hear a beeping soon here. So you can check the power cable. Use the power key to open this model. And usually we will set into 40 degrees when we first time use this model. And then you can open the water. So you will find now the heating line and the water flow line is working. That means this model now start heating. So you can see the temperature. It will raise very fast to get the hot water. The temperature will raise very fast. About 5 to 10 seconds, then you can get the hot water. So our temperature is constant temperature. So when you set in 40 degrees, then you will keep 40 degrees, and we also have the memory function. So if you close this model this time, when you next time open it, it will still keep on 40 degrees. Yeah. So you can also use the touch control to adjust the temperature. When after you adjust, the temperature will shine in few seconds. So you can get the hot water.